Hi, Rainy Bastoresh here with WhyAmIGreen.com, and let me tell you about this new kiddie pool growing system I just put together. What I have here is I have 5 kiddie pools, and each kiddie pool has 10 wicking bags inside. Now I use the wicking bags, of course, for the air wicking advantage, and also to be able to bottom feed with the water automatically. And all the water is fed from that 55-gallon reservoir in the middle. And now looking inside each one, in the middle, that tall Walmart bag has corn on the cob and green beans, so they'll kind of grow together. And what you're seeing here are Roma tomatoes. Here I have colossal oriental red peppers. And coming here on the left, you can see my eggplants. And again, more corn in the middle. So we have a little bit of everything. I actually have 3 different kind of eggplants. I've got some early ones and some big ones and Italian ones. And I even have some cabbage, little cabbage that I'm growing in the front of one of them. Now you can see over here where my reservoir is feeding into that blue bucket where my float is. And basically the water is going all the way around in that tube, feeding each one of the pools simultaneously and going back into the system. So this way they all have the same amount of water constantly. That's the system. I hope you like it. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.